Meaning of halfwit.
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 Halfwit. The term halfwit is a pejorative slang expression used to describe an individual who is perceived to have a significantly lower than average level of intelligence or cognitive ability. The word halfwit implies that the person in question is not fully capable of understanding complex ideas or concepts, and may struggle to make rational decisions or solve problems. Essentially, it is a derogatory term that suggests someone is stupid or mentally deficient. However, it is important to recognize that using this kind of language to belittle others is never acceptable, and can be harmful and hurtful.